dairy farm, County Antrim. We're going to put in a calf ventilation system in this open-sided shed. Should be fine, but the breeze is coming from this direction, so the shed's very sheltered. Any problems that they have are stored in the shed. We're going to make use of that. We're going to fit on the far end of the building. We're going to introduce fresh air at full length. We're inside now. This is the gable that we're going to put the fan system on. So let me just reiterate. We're going to cut a hole, fit the fan system through the inside of the gable, attach it. Then we're going to attach a catenary wire the full length of the building. And afterwards we're going to hang a distribution tube on that catenary wire and fix it to the discharge of the fan housing. That will give us fresh air. What are we fitting? This is the air handling unit. It's got, in this case, we're using a fairly substantial heavy-duty Zeal German fan. We're using a very reliable AEW multi-fan controller to give us variable speed. I'll tell you a bit about that in a minute. And of course, standard 17th edition. Now we attach the tube. We've drawn a catenary along the shed, catenary wire. We've tensioned it using a standard electric wire tensioner. And now we fit some simple spring clips to the eyelets on the tube. And then we will go up and we will attach the spring clips onto the cable. We're installed. The air handling unit is fixed to the gable. The ventilation tube is fixed the full length of the shed. Notice the holes are at 8 o'clock and 4 o'clock on the dial of a clock, and the idea is that they're distributing air down onto the animals because the tube's so high up. Now let's see what happens when we switch it on. Maybe Elizabeth will just concentrate on the fan and then move forward with the air as it fills the tube. Now, just the last point, that's filled nicely. It's got a little bit of a sag in the middle. We'll sort that out and put some supports in. When you saw that, when you saw the air fill in the tube, there was a wave of air went along. If you have a thermostatic control, which is switching the fan off and on, that wave is happening quite regularly in the tube, and it will eventually tear the tube. What we prefer to use is either mechanical control or, for energy saving reasons, this is an automatic control. We simply set the temperature, we give it 10 degrees of a differential to speed up, we set the minimum speed, and the fan will quite happily modulate itself and continue to ventilate the shed. Excellent solution if you want to save energy. The alternative, leave it running full out all the time. Okay? Thank you very much. And the final bit is the sweetie for the installer. Bought from the shop next to DD Meats on the Moira Road, a super supplier of fresh meat.